Hello and welcome to the Global Fashion Workshop channel. Today my sister Inga and I have found strength to make this video for you. We're going through very difficult times for our family. The Global Fashion Workshop project will continue because Irina Paukshte wanted it to continue. Of course, the project will be continuing. We released about 2,000 videos with Irina at our Russian-speaking channel. Those videos are important for our subscribers. They started rewatching her lessons. Thanks to YouTube, this format will continue. That's certainly appreciated. This project will not end. We're planning to make new videos, continue the project, and we don't want to reduce the pace. I would even say, in memory of our mother. We decided to do a special edition this week with our employees, staff, and friends. We also want to collect all the brightest moments from the last 6 months' videos that our subscribers liked the most, and to combine them into one episode. I mean one video consisting of several parts about one garment or something like that. Thus, she will continue to be among us. Also, I wanted to tell you about our other channels. I had doubts about how we would translate videos of a person who is no longer with us, but I realized that Irina Mikhailovna wanted these videos to be translated. She will still be sharing her experience in other languages. Irina's dream was to open a sewing school, and she made this video, but unfortunately, she didn't reach the implementation of her project. In good memory of her, we open a sewing school on a new platform with Fashion Workshop Club on an English channel, as she left a tremendous legacy of video tutorials, and we can't conceal them from her worldwide audience. Therefore, we start Fashion Workshop Club and offer free challenge courses and educational video tutorials made by Irina Paukshte for its members. We hope this treasure will be valued by her audience. A lot of videos have not been translated into other languages yet. She is no longer with us, but she will continue to share her knowledge in other languages. New videos that we will shoot with Olya will also be translated. This is very important because our team has many followers from the channel and from the Paukshte Fashion House. Her closest friends received the experience and philosophy of sewing from her. We will continue to share this knowledge so the project will live. I would like to add, this project, of course, will be updated. Of course, it is divided into 2 periods, before and after. There will be new formats that we will look for, but Irina's energy will remain in her courses and videos. So, we have such a big responsibility. We will try to handle it well. I've been making videos for my channel for 2 years now. I've learned a lot from my mother. Our tailors have a lot of experience. They've used Mom's cutting system for many years. I can say that we are a family here, and together we can do this. Maybe it will be difficult for us in the beginning, but we'll try hard to find our way. I believe together we'll share Mom's experience with other people. Mom's motto was, "Make the world better." I realized that we should live here and now, as she did. For example, she said, "I want to have a vacation right now. I want to buy a new ring right now. Just here and now. Don't forget to live here and now. It's important." She had lived by this motto. Thank you so much. It's time to say goodbye. It was very important for us to be here today. We were preparing. We didn't know how it would go. It was not easy for us. But nevertheless, we feel your support and thank you very much. Thank you for watching. All the best from Paukshte, Olga, and Inga, and the rest of our team. This video is a tribute to our mother, Irina Paukshte.